Hi friends, welcome to Sir Kandron LDC classes. In this class we are going to know some general information about Indian Railway. Okay, let us start the class. How many divisions are there on Indian Railways? 68. How many zones is there on Indian Railways? 18. Where is the office of the Railway Rates Tribunal RRT? Chennai. What is the full form of CAT? Central Administrative Tribunal. What is the full form of ZRTI? Zonal Railway Training Institute. Where is the RCT Railway Claims Tribunal office? Where is the Railway Claims Tribunal office? Answer is your New Delhi. What is the full form of RDSO? Research, Design and Standard Organization. RDSO is located at Lucknow. Where is the headquarters of WC? Jabalpur. Where is the headquarters of NCR? Allahabad. How many divisions are there on Central Railway? 5. Where is the headquarters of the East Coast Railway located? Bhubaneswar. Where is the headquarters of South Eastern Central Railway located? Bilaspur. What does the abbreviation NAIR stand for? National Academy of Indian Railways. What is the word do which is used by daily correspondence? Demi-official. CGEGIS. What is the full form? What is the full meaning of CGEGIS? Central Government Employees Group Insurance Scheme. What is the full form of IREC? Indian Railway Establishment Code. What is the full form of IREM? Indian Railway Establishment Manual. What is the full form of MOPR? Manual on Pension Rules. What is the full meaning of SLP? A Special Leave Petition. What is the full form of CRIS? CRIS. Center for Railway Information System. There is no any option. None of the above is your answer. What is the training period of IRMS officers of selected through UPSC? 6 months. Where is the Indian Railway Institute of Civil Engineering located? Pune. Indian Railway Institute of Signal Engineers and Telecommunication located at Secunderabad. Where is the Indian Railway Institute of Electric Engineering located? Nasik. How many organized railway services are there? 9. IRSC, IRSEE, IRSSE, IRTS, IRPS, IRAS, IRMS, IRSME, IRSS. 9. Okay friends. Where is the designation of head of NAIR, National Academy of Indian Railways, Vadodara? Director General. What is the designation of head of NAIR? Question I repeat. What is the designation of head of NAIR, National Academy of Indian Railway, Vadodara? Director General. What is the duration of basic course of officer? 8 weeks. Where is the training of Indian Railway Accounts Service Officer held? Vadodara. Where is the training of Indian Railway Personnel Service Officers held? Vadodara. Where is the training of Indian Store Department Officer held? Vadodara. Where is the training of Indian Railway Mechanical Engineering Service held? Jamalpur. When and where was the first train in India run? 16 April 1853 from Boribandar to Thane. When and where was the first train in India run? 16 April 1853 from Boribandar to Thane. When and where was the second train in India run? 15th August 1854 from Havra to Hooghly. The railway board was formed on which committee's report? Thomas Robertson Committee. Thomas Robertson Committee. When was the railway board formed? 1905. On which committee's report was the railway board was reconstituted? Ackworth Committee. Total number of railway recommend board 21. Where is the main bench of CAT located? New Delhi. Where is the headquarter of South Coast Railway located? Visakhapatnam. DLW is located at Varanasi. Jaipur is the headquarter of Northwestern. Rail coach factory is located at Kapurthala. Indian Railway Conference Association is located at New Delhi. Who is the first railway minister of independent India? John Mathai. What was National Academy of Indian Railway NAIR, previously known as Railway Staff College? Which city has 3 zonal railway headquarters? Kolkata. When was Central Railway formed? 9 November 1951. When was 5-day working introduced in administrative office? 3/6/1985. Shatabdi Express was introduced to commemorate 100th anniversary of which leader? Jawaharlal Nehru. When and between which station was the first Rajdhani Express train run? Havra to New Delhi. When? 1 March 1969. When was the first electric train introduced in India? 3rd February 1925. Where is world's longest railway platform situated? Gorakhpur. Which is the longest railway bridge in India? Bogibeel. Which station has all 3 gauge railway lines? Siliguri. Which is the largest railway junction in India? Mathura. First Shatabdi Express was run between New Delhi to Jhansi. First Duronto Express was run between Sialda to New Delhi. Where is the headquarter of South Western Railway? Hubli. Modern coach factory is located at Raebareli. Rail wheel factory is located at Yehelnaka. Longest railway tunnel in India is Pir Panjal. First Humsafar Express was run between Gorakhpur to Anand Vihar. First Garib Rath was run between Saharsa to Amritsar. Here friends, these are some basic information regarding our Indian Railways which is very necessary for our personal departmental exam. Okay, I hope you will know in a better way and you reminded this is very important questions our coming personal exams related. Okay friends, thank you.